Is your 1999 Honda Accord key fob not working? Don't worry, you can likely fix it yourself. The most common culprits are a dead battery or a need to resync the remote. First, replace the battery. The fob uses a CR232 coin battery. Pry open the case with a small screwdriver. Replace the old battery with the positive side up and test. If that doesn't work, the issue is likely programming. Keep in mind, many owners use aftermarket replacements rather than OEM parts due to the age of the vehicle. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, you'll need to relearn or program the remote with your car. This teaches the car to recognize the fob. The process involves turning the ignition to on, then lock in a specific sequence, and pressing buttons on the fob. If you're using an aftermarket fob, ensure it's programmed to the correct frequency, 340.4 MHz. For advanced syncing, you might need an OBD2 reader to clear codes. Refer to your owner's manual or online guides for the exact steps.